Students, today we are going to discuss next point of sequence of real analysis. So, point is bounded sequence. Bounded sequence. Bounded sequence. What is meant by bounded sequence? Bounded sequence means a sequence which is bounded above or bounded below. Okay, if a sequence is bounded above and bounded below, then we say that given sequence is bounded sequence. Okay, so definition of some definition: bounded above, bounded below, and bounded sequence. So first definition is a sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity. This sequence is said to be bounded above or bounded below. Okay, this sequence Sn is said to be bounded above or bounded below. Bounded above or bounded below if its range, okay, if its range as a means this sequence range of this sequence is a subset of positive integer. Okay, means this if its range of if its range as subset of a set of positive integer I. Okay, set of positive integer means range of this sequence is a set of positive integer I is bounded above or below. Okay, is bounded above or bounded below. This is definition of bounded sequence. Means sequence contains an element. What is meant by sequence? Sequence means which contains a elements, a function from suppose I to set of positive integer to R. Okay, then sequence Sn contains all images of set of positive integer n. Then their range set means this value of Sn lies in range of Sn is range of subset of I. Range of subset of I is bounded. Range of this sequence is subset of I, and suppose that sequence 1 upon n. Okay, this sequence, consider this sequence Sn is equal to 1 upon n. This sequence range is 0 to 1. Okay, this is a subset of positive integer I, and this is bounded above by 1 and bounded below by 0. Okay, therefore this sequence Sn is equal to 1 upon n. This sequence is a bounded sequence. Okay, means bounded above by 1, and this sequence is also bounded below by 0. Okay, therefore this sequence is called bounded sequence. This is one definition for bounded. Okay, then next definition is a sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity. A sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is said to be bounded. Bounded sequence. Only bounded sequence is said to be bounded sequence if the range of this Sn if the range of sequence Sn has a subset of R, of set of real number R is bounded, okay, that is our means range of this Sn. This is a subset of set of real number R. Suppose this sequence Sn is 1 upon n, which is a bounded sequence. Bounded sequence means their range of Sn, sequence Sn is range is close interval 0 to 1, has a subset of R. This is subset of set of real number R, which is bounded. Bounded means which is bounded above and bounded below. Then we say that given sequence is bounded sequence. Okay, that is a set, S in set of real number R. That is a set S in set of real number R is bounded if, when this set is bounded, if there exists real number, small m and capital M, such that if there exists small m and capital M belongs to set of real number, such that small m is less equal x is less equal capital M, where for all x belongs to given set S. Means here given set is when bounded, any set is when bounded if there exist two numbers such that all elements of x, all elements of S are lies in between this small m and m. Okay, then we say that given set is bounded set. Okay, so this is one definition for bounded sequence. Means it has also next definition of bounded is next definition for this bounded sequence. The sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is bounded sequence. If and only if there exists non-negative real number m, non-negative real number capital M, such that mod Sn is less equal capital M for all n belongs to n. Okay, for all natural number n belongs to n, means this sequence mod of Sn is less equal m, means at least one of the element is exist such that mod Sn is less equal m. Then we say that given sequence Sn is a bounded sequence. Okay, so this is a definition of bounded sequence. Bounded sequence means there exists any non-negative real number such that mod Sn is less equal m. Then we say that given sequence is a bounded sequence. Okay, so some note: if any sequence Sn is both bounded above and bounded below, both bounded above and bounded below, then the sequence is said to be bounded. If given sequence is bounded above and bounded below, then we say that given sequence is bounded. Okay, then if any sequence is bounded above and bounded below, suppose that this sequence Sn is equal to 1 upon n. This sequence is bounded above by 1 and bounded below by 1, bounded below by 0. Therefore this sequence is bounded sequence. Okay, So this is a definition of for example, consider a sequence. Suppose consider a sequence where Sn is equal to minus n. Okay, n runs from 1 to infinity. This Sn is contains element of Sn is equal to, here given that minus n, and which contains the element of the form of when n is equal to 1, then minus 1, minus 2, and up to so on. Okay, this sequence is bounded above or below. Clearly we see that, this sequence is bounded above by minus 1, because no any element here exists such that all elements of Sn, all elements of this sequence Sn is less equal minus 1. Okay, therefore this sequence is bounded above. Okay, clearly and clearly the range of the sequence, is bounded above by minus 1. This sequence is bounded above by minus 1 because all elements of this sequence is all less equal minus 1, but this sequence is not bounded below, because no any integer exists such that all elements are greater than any the exist element. Okay, so therefore this sequence is only bounded above but not bounded below. Okay, bounded above by minus 1 but not bounded below, and therefore this sequence is not bounded sequence. Okay, this is not bounded sequence because bounded sequence has which is bounded above and bounded below. This sequence only bounded above. Okay, so and their range is only minus infinity to minus 1. Their range is minus infinity to minus 1. This is a range of this sequence is minus infinity to minus 1. Range of subsequence is bounded above by 1. This is the range of this sequence, means all elements of this sequence is contained in that range. Okay, minus infinity to minus 1. Minus 1 is the greatest element of this sequence, such that all elements of this sequence are less equal minus 1. Therefore this sequence is bounded above by minus 1. Okay, therefore and no integer exists such that which is bounded below, means here not any integer, here open interval. Okay, therefore this sequence is not bounded below, so this is not bounded sequence. Okay, then next example, suppose that sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity. Suppose that this sequence is n square. Okay, n square where n runs from 1 to infinity. Their range of this set. Range of this sequence is first we have putting n is equal to 1, then 1, and then last, means sequence contains all positive terms, but their first element is 1 and up to infinity elements contain. Their range set is infinity. This range set has a bounded below by 1, but which is not bounded above. Okay, similarly, clearly the range of this sequence, is bounded below by 1 but not bounded above. Okay, so therefore it is not bounded sequence, Okay, so this is a then next example. suppose that sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is equal to sequence 1 upon n. Their range of this sequence is range means this sequence elements of this sequence is contained in some domain, some set of real numbers, okay, subset of real numbers. So their elements are lies in between, last element is 0 and 1, okay. Range of this set means when n tends to infinity, then 1 upon infinity is 0, and when n is equal to 1, then their last element is 1, okay. Means this sequence all elements of this sequence are contained in closed interval 0 to 1, okay. So this sequence is clearly range of this sequence is bounded above by 1 and below by 0, therefore this sequence is bounded sequence, okay. So clearly the range of this sequence is bounded below by 0 and bounded above by 1, therefore it is bounded sequence. This is bounded sequence. This is some examples of how to prove bounded sequence or not, okay. So elements of this sequence are 1 by 2, 1 by 3, then so on. Last element must be 0, okay. Then suppose next example suppose that sequence Sn n runs from 1 to infinity, okay. So minus 1 raised to n plus 1 where n runs from 1 to infinity, okay. This sequence contains element is 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 and so on, okay. Clearly the range of this sequence is which contains only minus 1 and 1 element, okay, both elements. So range of this sequence is bounded above by 1 and bounded below by minus 1, and therefore this sequence is bounded sequence, okay. Similarly Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is equal to minus n raised to n plus 1, okay. Minus n raised to n plus 1 where n runs from 1 to infinity, which contains the element when n is equal to 1, then minus 1 raised to 2 means 1, then n is equal to 2, then minus 2, sorry, here minus 1, plus 1, here minus 1 raised to 2 means 1, okay. Then when n is equal to 2, then minus 2 raised to 3, minus 2 cube is minus 8, then n is equal to 3, then minus 3 raised to 4, means 81, okay. Then n is equal to 4, then minus 4 raised to 5, means minus of their value is something, suppose 4 into 4 into there 16 into 16, don't see, their value is into 4, 216 into 4 is equal to, then their value is something 864, okay, 864 or something. In this way their integers means minus 864, okay. This is value is minus 864. So this sequence has no any bounded above real number, no any number exists such that all elements are less than that number, and no bound this sequence has no any smallest number such that all numbers are greater than that number. Here minus 8 is here, then minus 864 this element, then up to so on. Here this is no integer exists such that this sequence no integer, there does not exist m and m belongs to set of real number R such that there does not exist such that all elements minus m is less equal yes as capital M for all x belongs to this set, for all elements in belongs to Sn. Okay, means no element in exists such that all elements of this sequence are lies in between small m and capital M. Okay, therefore this sequence is clearly, this sequence is not bounded above, not bounded below, so which is not a bounded sequence. Okay, clearly range of this sequence, clearly range of this sequence neither bounded here 256. okay, 16 square is 256 into 4, their value is something whatever may be, but here only to be saying that ki here not a element exists such that which is bounded above and bounded below. Okay, so their range set is minus infinity to infinity. So given set is not bounded above or bounded below. Okay, clearly range of this sequence neither bounded above nor below, and therefore given sequence is, therefore it is not bounded sequence, Okay, so in this way some example how to check that given sequence is bounded sequence or not. Okay, then theorem next theorem is theorem on bounded sequence. So this is very simple theorem. Okay, if the sequence of real number is convergent, then sequence is bounded. Every convergent sequence is bounded sequence. If the sequence of real number Sn, where n runs from 1 to infinity, is convergent, then sequence Sn is bounded. Sequence. Okay, that is every convergent sequence of real number is bounded. Okay, every convergent sequence of real number is bounded. This statement says that every convergent sequence of real number is bounded. So how to prove it? Given convergent sequence is bounded, here given that this sequence Sn is convergent. Okay, this sequence Sn is convergent, given that here given that sequence Sn is convergent. Suppose that which is convergent to L, then we satisfy epsilon n definition. Epsilon n definition means for all epsilon greater than 0 there exists n belongs to I, such that mod Sn minus L is less than epsilon. Okay, so mod Sn minus L is less than epsilon whenever for all n greater equal n. So choosing here epsilon is equal to any integer, epsilon is equal to, suppose choose 1. Okay, then this equation 1 becomes mod Sn minus L is less than 1. Okay, mod Sn minus L is less than 1. Okay, and to show this sequence is bounded sequence, for bounded sequence use the definition of mod Sn is less equal m. So consider mod Sn. Mod Sn is equal to mod Sn plus minus L plus L, add and subtract. Okay, then which is less equal mod Sn minus L plus L. Okay, L is any finite number, means limit of this sequence. Okay, but mod Sn minus L is less equal 1. Okay, then which is strictly less than 1 plus this L, and therefore mod Sn is strictly less than 1 plus L, means so here mod Sn, so to choosing here capital M, because this M to here to finding to, because this sequence Sn is a Sn is bounded by 1 plus L, means their last all elements of this sequence are less than 1 plus L. So choosing M is equal to maximum of suppose S1 is first element, mod S1, then mod S2. Because why? Because choosing maximum, because all elements of this mod of S1, S2, Sk up to so on. These all are, and lastly is Sn is 1 plus L. If we choosing M is equal to maximum of all this element, then sequence Sn is must be less equal capital M, because here there exists M belongs to set of real number such that mod Sn is less equal M. So we are finding this number, and therefore this sequence Sn is less than 1 plus L. Similarly S1 is must be less than something any number. Similarly S2 is less equal something any number, and so choosing M from M is maximum of all these numbers, means maximum of mod S1, mod S2 up to so on, mod Sn minus 1, and last element is suppose 1 plus L. Okay, 1 plus L. If maximum of all this element is M, and therefore all numbers of sequence Sn is must be less equal M, and therefore by definition of bounded sequence Sn is a bounded, and therefore this convergent sequence is a bounded sequence. So there is a very simple proof of this theorem. Let sequence Sn where n runs from 1 to infinity is convergent, and suppose converges to L, say. Okay, suppose that this sequence is convergent to any finite number L. Okay, limit n tends to infinity, that is Sn is equal to L. Okay, that is limit n tends to infinity, Sn is equal to L. Therefore we satisfy epsilon n definition, means by using epsilon n definition. For all epsilon greater than 0, there exists n belongs to I, such that mod Sn minus L is less than epsilon whenever n is greater or equal n. So if we choose epsilon is equal to 1, then equation 1 becomes mod Sn minus L is less than 1 whenever n is greater or equal n. So suppose that this is equation number 2. Okay, now then consider to show that given sequence is bounded sequence. So by using definition of bounded sequence, so what definition? Use this definition. Okay, the sequence Sn is bounded if and only if there is non-negative real number m such that mod Sn is less equal m. So for this consider mod Sn is equal to consider mod Sn is equal to mod Sn is right in the form of Sn minus L plus L only add and subtract L. Okay, so again by using result, a plus b is less equal mod a plus mod b. So using this, suppose this is a and this is b, which is less equal mod Sn minus L plus mod L. Okay, and therefore this is a Sn minus L. Sn minus L is strictly less than 1 plus mod L. Okay, therefore mod Sn, therefore mod Sn is strictly less than 1 plus mod L. Suppose this is equation number 3. Okay, so for that, bound to show the given sequence is bounded by some number, some real number. So choose m is equal to maximum of all elements, means mod of s1, mod of s2, up to so on, mod of Sn minus 1, and lastly is Sn is bounded by 1 plus mod L. Okay, so choosing m is equal to maximum all this number, then mod Sn is clearly less equal m. Okay, and therefore by definition, if m is equal to 1 plus L, then mod Sn is less equal to 1 plus L. If mod S1 is greater than 1 plus mod L, then m is equal to mod S1. Okay, then if mod S2 is greater than any number, then m is a maximum of all this. Choose m is equal to maximum of all this number. Suppose mod Sn is less equal to 1 plus mod L. Suppose this number is maximum, then m is equal to 1 plus mod L. Okay, in this way sequence mod Sn is must be bounded by m, and therefore by definition of bounded sequence, sequence Sn is bounded sequence, that is every coordinate sequence, is bounded. Every coordinate sequence of real number, okay, of real numbers is bounded.